Hello everyone, you are watching RDX Goa's news bulletin with me Priyanka. To begin with, let's take a look at the headlines. Minibus carrying 24 Russian tourists rams into two cars and turned turtle at Sankwale. Tourists escaped unhurt, one died, two injured. Crime branch raided Moonlight Circus following the complaint of rape on a minor girl. One arrested, owner booked. Chief Minister did not make any efforts to shut down Ola Cabs. Ola Cabs still operating in the state, Alex Reginald. And Festival of Music, Dance and Food begins in Goa. Carnival celebrations flagged off at Panjim. And now the news in details. The accident was reported at around 10:45 am when tourist minibus carrying 25 foreign Russian passengers heading towards Kotalim from Dabolim Airport skipped on sharp turn near Sankwale and overturned and later rammed into the two oncoming cars, where 3 persons were injured, including female who died in Polo car and one Swift in which one person injured. A scooterist who was heading towards Vasco met with accident. All trapped inside the car following the accident were referred to GMC. Kiran Borkar reports from Sankwale.
आज 11 सुमार जेन्ना आमी पेट्रोलिंग आसले तेन्ना नोटीस केले की हांगासर एक बस, 2 कार आणि एक स्कूटरीचो एक्सिडेंट जाल्लो. सो मेजर एक्सिडेंट आसलेलो तो. सो पयले जाल्यार ते कार गाडयेंतले 3 जाण इंजर्ड जाल्लेले. तितून आमी आमचे ट्राफिकेचे जीपीन एकट्याक आनी मागीर रॉबर्ट जीप वेर्णाची तितून 2 जाणांक इमिजिएटली शिफ्ट केले टू बांबोली. सो ते इंजर्ड केले. तितून एकट्याचें नांव रिता आनी दुसऱ्याचें नांव रॉजर, ती दोनापावलची. तशेंच बस आसली पळय ती एअरपोर्टांतल्यान फॉरेन ट्युरिस्टांक घेवन येताली. सो तितून कोणाक अशी इंजरी अशी व्हडलीशी कांय जावंक ना. आणि कार तितून एक इंजर्ड जाला. आणि मागीर इमिजिएटली आमी सगळ्या ऑथॉरिटीक इन्फॉर्म केले, फायर ब्रिगेड आणि आमचे बाकी सगळे पुलीस आणि ट्रॅफिक कंट्रोल केले.
बस सोमती डायरेक्ट येयले आणि माझे ड्रायव्हर सायडीकूच मारले आणि माझी सोडली सोमती गाडी. फास्ट आसलो तो फास्ट आसलो न्हू. तो स्कूटर माझ्या वयरसून पडलो.
एक्सिडेंट जालो तेन्नाच पावला, पण तिगी जाण फॅमिली भितर हाडली. तांकां कोण काडूंक नासलो, पण हांवें तांकां सिटा बिटा कशें करून काडले भायर.
खंयचे
हे हितून काडीन हाडली.
आनी ती चड
हय ती डॅमेज आहा. बायलेचें हें तोंड गेलां आनी चेड्याचे दोनी हात गेले आनी तेजी बोंडेक मारला.
आनी मुखार वयली गाडी
कावले हांव काय त्याचो मातसो हात मोडला.
ती कितें जालें, ती गाडी येताली बसीन येयली मरे आनी तेका पयलें ती गाडी डॅश जाली. ते डॅश घाली ही पोती पडली ही गाडी सांपडली तेका. हे गाडयेंतले 3 जाणां मार लागला आनी तेका ती गाडयेंतले मोटरसायकल चलयत तेका लागला.
सिरियस
Crime branch raided Moonlight Circus in Margao after minor girl working there was raped. One was arrested for rape and other 20 children working in that place were rescued by police. Police have booked the owner in this case. Mandan Naik reports from Margao.
We have registered a case of rape and abuse of a minor, and regarding that case we had to follow up. Basically she was working here in this, so we had to basically arrest main accused, and that we have been able to do that. And then we have rescued many minor kids. As per Supreme Court guidelines, kids below the age of 18 are not allowed to work in a circus. We have rescued around 22 people, 22 girls, boys and girls, minor boys and females also, minor girls. So right now we are registering cases under, there are evidences to prove that they are working here as bonded laborers and under Child Labor Act. Under various acts we are registering cases. Right now investigation is on. We have to verify we have to verify the witnesses and the victims themselves. We have to interrogate them. And then we are looking into the different registers and all those things which we have seized following Panchanama and all those things. That this is what was going on. So labor officers from the administration And this joint operation of South Goa Police, SP South was also here, and the crime branch and the anti-human trafficking unit based in Panchi. Basically, the case is registered there, and right now the corresponding cases will be. He himself was here. He himself accompanied. He himself leaded this particular raid. The owner is arrested, and the rape case that has been registered yesterday night in Panjim, in the women's police station. The victim was also working in the same circles earlier, and then we have arrested the trafficker who was supplying the girls to the owner, so far, and the manager of the company also, and another accountant who is to maintain, who is to pay the kids and all these things. So the three of them have been, as of now, have been arrested in the case that is registered here, and in the rape case, two of them have been arrested. That is the owner and another guy who was, as per the complaint of the victim, he was physically assaulting the victim. So that both of them have been arrested.
So here Margam police will be investigating in this.
In the trafficking case and the various sections of Bonded Labour Act, the various sections of Child Labour Act and the Goa Children's Act, all those cases will be investigated by the IU. Sudesh.
Kurturim MLA Alex Reginald alleged that Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar is lying to the people of state that he has closed the offices of Ola Cabs. He further alleged that Manohar Parrikar is fooling the people to bank maximum votes during Lok Sabha elections. Reginald said Chief Minister has not made any efforts to shut the Ola Cabs business and that they are still operating in Goa. He further disclosed that he himself called an Ola Cab to cross-check the presence of Ola Cabs in the state. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Panjim for RDX Goa.
The Chief Minister and Sangla that he has issued them notice to close office. He has made a statement that he has told to close the office, rather they will not operate from Goa. All these tricks of the trade are of the Chief Minister because in view of the MP elections. And all this cheating mentality is one such mentality, his cheating ability I am bringing it to the fore. Ola Cabsache I have booking kela, taxi sokala. The taxi has come down, I have booked, I have received a call, I have even paid for the charges, and Ola Cab is down right now. We will go and click it, we will go and view the driver. Now what has happened is, first and foremost, Ola Cabs bon zapak or notice dupak, Ola Cabsa gode online tagele jobs advertiser. I have got the copy, I have brought the copy because every time we raise the issue, they close the websites. I raised issue of casinos, that website of Deltian Royale, takkon dusri sa site band keli. So I am, before the site closes, I copy kandole. Ola Cabsache, they have advertised for posts. The copy will be supplied to you. They have advertised for posts of executive accountants. The executive accountants, they have advertised for posts of account executives. They have announced posts of hiring car audit executive and senior executive administration. Now these posts are been advertised online. A version जोतर announcement जाता आणि online जोतर advertisement जाता for jobs. How can Chief Minister have the audacity or statement करपाक की आमी office बंद करतले? ये सगळी style of cheating MP election आला को माशरा MP election जायनी एक दाखवते म्हणून.
अरे मा काय खबर ना एक मिनिट रामा सोबत
ओला कॅब ही ओला कॅब
ओला कॅब मा गाडी माझी रे बाबा
ओला कॅब पी
ओला मा गाडी माझी रे
रजिस्टर कोणी केलं ओला कॅब
ना ना
बुकिंग कोण केलं
तुका कोणेन कॉल केलो
कॉम्प्युटर कॉलेज राव पयता कोणी कॉल केला
ओला कॅब पय मरे SMS पय मरे SMS
Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
Comfortable stay, presidential and executive suites, essentials, safety of your belongings, modern baths, showers and jacuzzi. $25 conference room. One-up lounge bar with disco lights and DJ music. Restaurant managed by Mumbai's famous Uncle's Kitchen, tasty and tantalizing dishes. Cable TV screens, all in friendly and air-conditioned environment at Amunkar's Boutique Hotel, DB Bandodkar Road, Miramar, Panji, Goa.
Emotion, one-stop location for all your needs. A huge collection of custom gifts for your family and friends. Shop for any occasion, weddings, birthdays, anniversary and much more. Express your deepest love with a thoughtful gift from our store. Unique and creatively designed gifts, only at Emotions.
सोबीत दिसचे अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? घेवं नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
चांदण्यात फिरताना
धुंद चांदण्या रात्री, रोमांच रोम अंगात्री, लाघवी तुझे स्मित, छेडती नवे गीत, चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत. या माझ्या स्वप्न महाली क्षण रंगले मन तंगले, जादू तुझ्या स्पर्शाची मी प्रेम रंगी रंगले. उमलली नवी एक प्रीत, चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत चंद्रगीत. आतिथ्य आणि स्मित म्हणजेच हॉटेल चंद्रगीत. आरामदायी प्रशस्त एअर कंडिशन खोल्या, केबल टीव्ही, शॉवरची सोय, मध्यवर्ती ठिकाण पणजी म्हापसा महामार्गावर, पदवरी गोवा येथे हॉटेल चंद्रगीत.
अंकल, आप ठीक तो हो ना?
बेटा थैंक यू. ये क्या है?
कुछ नहीं अंकल, अभी ब्लड डोनेट करके आई हूँ.
बेटा तुम्हें तो बहुत कमजोरी महसूस होती होगी.
कोई कमजोरी नहीं अंकल, हर 3 महीने में करती हूँ.
अच्छा.
नेकी के लिए पहलवान नहीं, इंसान होना जरूरी है. रक्तदान कीजिए, कमजोरी नहीं होती. शरीर उस खून को जल्दी बना लेता है.
सोचिए मत, करके देखिए, अच्छा लगता है.
Welcome back. Carnival celebrations in the state commenced on Saturday and will continue for more 5 days, said Tourism Minister Dilip Parlekar. Tourism Minister Dilip Parlekar flagged off the carnival procession at Panjim. South Goa MP Francis Sardina on Friday said he is quite sure that the Congress will re-nominate him for the South Goa Lok Sabha seat. He even said, though the party has not announced the list of candidates, he is quite sure of a re-nomination. He also exuded confidence that all Congress will close their ranks and join hands for the victory of the party in the coming polls. Mandan Naik reports from Margao.
This High Command, but even last time they declared late, nothing unusual in Congress. But I am quite sure that I will get it. I vote quite sure. I was reading the Herald, what Modi's speech, and in today's paper, Modi has said that BJP accused the APA government of pushing back the country by a decade. In fact, he said the UPA government last 10 years, they have done nothing, so the country has been pushed back by a decade. If you go to see what was the average growth during NDA time, it was 4.7. It was 4.7. UPA 1, the growth was 8.53%, which nobody can imagine. And UPA 2, the growth is between 5 to 5.5, which is still higher than 4.7 of the NDA government. So I only advise Mr. Modi to go through some literature before making such.
Panic gripped students, staff and management of MES College, Zuwarinagar on Friday morning after students found around 8 letters intimating about a bomb being planted in one of the classrooms in the Commerce Block. Later, it was informed to Bomb Disposal and Detection Squad, and such operation was initiated in the premises of MES College.
Yesterday was a holiday, and today morning when I reached here about some 8:15 or so, some of the students came to me with letters, with a page, and on that page there was a message saying that there is a bomb planted in the classroom. So I went in the morning to all the classrooms and I addressed the students, and I told them this is a very serious matter because security and of the students and their lives are very important to us. And I took an opinion of my staff and also my superiors, and then I decided to call the police. No, we called the police. The police came with their this bomb squad and they checked all the rooms and nothing was found. Our message is that a student should be alert, you know, and if they see, because see sometimes there can be even an outside element, we do not rule out that. In fact, I told the students somebody might have done it, you know, with some ulterior motive or for some reason best known to them. It could be anybody, you know, because in the morning our gates are open and we do not have, you know, that kind of a security system here.
MES कॉलेजान लेटर असा बॉम्ब दवरला म्हणून आणि त्यांना आम्ही हांगा कॉलेजान येयल्यान सगळे क्लासरूम आणि ऑफिसां चेक केले काय मेळून आमी सगळे क्लासीस सर्च केले आणि ऑफिसां चेक सर्च केले कितें मेळ्ळा तुमकां काय मेळूना.
Let's take a short commercial break. Stay tuned.
कसलोय समारंभ असो वा कसलोय सुवाळो असो, सगळ्यांची एकूच पसंत. संजय फॅशन सेंटर. रेडीमेड सूट, शेरवानी, कुर्तास आणि लग्न सोहळ्याचे कपडे तुमच्या गरजेप्रमाण आम्ही ऑर्डर घेतात. संजय फॅशन सेंटर, सिंडिकेट बँके लागी बेती.
सलोनी लेडीज वेयर. A new extension store of Sanjay Fashion Center, specialist in kurtis, jeans, dress material and innerwear. Next to Police Outpost, Betim, Bardes, Goa. Contact 777-3927-152.
Mallikarjun Caterers. We accept soft drinks, ice creams, veg and non-veg buffet orders for weddings, birthdays and other occasions. We also undertake pandal and stage decorations with lightings. Contact Anand Bandekar, Pansulem, Concon, Goa. Phone number 3130-178, 9823-524014 or 9405-166141. Mallikarjun Caterers.
सांभाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांभाळतलो.
गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळटलो
आमच्या भोंवतणी एकठांय जावपी गार्बेजीक आनी कोणूच न्हय आमीच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आसतात
उदक व्हांवल्या नितळसाणेन मनीस उरतलो
घुसपट जमनीची जाल्यार कोण रिजवतलो
नितळसाणीन रावप हो आमचो अधिकार आसा पण त्याच बरोबर ती आमची गरज आनी जबाबदारी आसा
हांव सांबाळचो ना जाल्यार कोण सांबाळटलो
राखपा गोंयची सोबीत काय कोण वावुरतलो
ही माती लागता म्हजी माय म्हाका तिची आपुरबाय
कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो कुडीन येताना देवाक सांगलेले तिका राखतलो
दिल या साथी चाहे कुछ भी कहे, जो कॉन्डम का साथ न छोड़े वही है मुकद्दर का सिकंदर।
Kurturim MLA Alex Reginald said that there is no need for Mopa Airport till Dabolim Airport can handle the traffic. Father Rebello also alleged that government is avoiding discussion on Mopa Airport. They were speaking at panel discussion held on Mopa Airport. They even informed that they will agitate on this matter before commencement of Lok Sabha elections. Mandar Naik reports from Margao.
I think the outcome of the debate is nothing. That we have to see that Daboli has to be retained. All of us are unanimous in that view. I think even Miki Pacheco of the GDP, Alex Reginald of Congress didn't have a problem as far as the Daboli airport is concerned. Now the issue is between the south and the north. See, the people don't know what is the consequences. Daboli airport padha to government and Kerala was now Pune that Adlan Kerala for simple reason equidistance from the entire state. And I think it is a very healthy practice if beyond politics सगळ्यांनी एक जायन आनी हुंयचो एक इश्यूज जो तर एक सेटल केलो दाबोली इश्यूज जो तर सेटल केलो गोंयांत मुखार आनी इश्यू उरपा नाय म्हाका दिसता मुखार देखून कोणो इश्यू करूं जाल्यार दोन पाट चिंतलो
आज ही डिबेट ऑर्गनायज केल्या सिवीक एंड कंज्युमर फोरम नुवेंचो आनी तांणी आमकां गोवन्स फॉर दाबोली ओनली आपयल्ले आनी तशेंच काँग्रेसाचो रिप्रेझेंटेटीव BJPचो रिप्रेझेंटेटीव आम आदमीचो रिप्रेझेंटेटीव आनी लोकल MLA बाब मिकी पाशेको आनी पर्पज हे मिटिंगेचो वो डिबेटीचो जावन आसलो द फ्युचर ऑफ दाबोली एअरपोर्ट आनी आतां लोकांनी डिसिजन घेतला की आमी जायते मिटिंग्यो हांगा थंय केल्यो आतां रस्त्यार येवपाचो वेळ पावला म्हणटच आतां एकूच उपाय आमकां उरला तो आमी रस्त्यार येवंक जाय आनी ह्या पासून झुजूंक जाय कित्याक लोकांक आतां कळ्ळां की गोंयांत एकूच एअरपोर्ट आसूंक जाय दोन एअरपोर्ट असल्यार गोंयचें निसंतण जाता
This was Mopa airport and Daboli airport. I'm supporting only one airport, which is Daboli airport. I don't talk about Mopa airport. For me, Mopa airport is not existing.
The Goa Mining People's Front on Friday asked the state government to issue a notification to immediately withdraw suspension of all the legal mines. They even carried out a rally from Usgaon Tisk to Bicholim and later held a public meeting at Shivaji Maharaj Maidan. The Goa Mining People's Front also put forth 9 demands, warning that they will intensify their agitation and also resort to Bandh if their demands are not met, informed ITUC General Secretary Christopher Fonseca. Sudesh Maikar reports from Bicholim.
Your goingcha governmentan नेमलेलो कमिटी या कमिटीन ताबडतोब 15 मार्चा फुडें सुप्रीम कोर्टान रिपोर्ट दिवपाक जाय. 12/2012 जी ऑर्डर काडलेली गोंयच्यो मायनी सस्पेंड करपाक, ती ऑर्डर ताबडतोब बेगीच्या बेगीन ती ऑर्डर फाटी घेवपाक जाय. गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा ताणी रिझर्व्ह बँक ऑफ इंडियाक सांगूंक जाय, जितले पळय लोन काम लोकांनी घेतल्यात ताचेर जो इंटरेस्ट येता, जूर येता, पिनल इंटरेस्ट येता, ताचेर मॉरेटोरियम म्हणल्यार ठप्प करून दवरपाचे, धांकडे घालपाचे. जे डिस्ट्रेस ट्रक ओनर्स, बार्ज मिशनरी ऑपरेटर्स, मायनिंग डिपेंडंट्स तांकां कॉम्पेन्सेट करपाक जाय.
आम्ही 17 महिने झुजतात. 17 महिने झाले ते मिनाच्यो खणी बंद आसात. 17 महिने झाले आमचो उद्योग धंदो ठप जाल्लेलो आसा. आम्ही तुका 17 महिने झाले तुझ्या फाटीक लागलेले आसा की बाबा बेगीतल्या बेगीन कितें तरी मांडावळ काढ. तू आमकां सांगता मे म्हयनो म्हणसर राव आनी भाजपाचे सरकार येसर राव. आमकां ह्या सरकाराक विचारपाचें आसा की भाजपाचे सरकार दिल्लीन येतले म्हणून तुझे कडेन कोणी एफिडेविट जावं गॅरंटी नामो बरोवन दिल्लो आसा? तुका कसली गॅरंटी आसा की दिल्लीन भाजपाचे सरकार येतले म्हणून? लोकांक एक फावट 2 फावट पिशे करूंक शकता. यू कॅनॉट फूल द पीपल थ्रू आउट. तू लोकांक सदांच पिसो करूंक शकना. एक फावटी 2 फावटी आमी पिशे जातले.
As a demand of local residents of Kalwim, board near Kalwim Ferry was constructed with photo frame of deceased children in Kalwim residency and inaugurated at the hands of Aldona MLA Glenn Tiklo. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Aldona.
आमकां खूब दूख भोगता कित्याक आमची 4 भुरगीं आनी 2 अडल्ट बाबडी उदकान तांचे जिवीत पिड्यार जाले. दे गॉट ड्राउंड आनी त्या खातीर आमी तेन्ना इनॉग्रेशन केल्लें पळय तेन्ना हांव सीएमाक सांगलेलें की आमी हे भुरग्यांचो फोटो एक हें करून सगळे सोय भुरग्यांचे फोटो घालून आमी घालपाचें थारायल्लें आसलें. पूण देरेपेन आमचे सीएम सगळ्यांक खबर आहा तो लास्ट मिनीट सांगलें बिकॉज 1 म्हयनो आसलो आनी तेन्ना सगळें थारोवलें आनी GSIDCक सांगलेलें की आमी तेन्ना आयज आमी भुरग्यांचो फोटो घातला नांव घेवन आमी तेन्ना घालपाचें आसलें. पूण कितें जालें सीएमान म्हणलें ना आय वॉन्ट दीस विदीन 3-4 days. सो तेन्ना इट वॉज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो आनी तेन्ना सगळो बोबो जालो एंड इट वॉज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट. सो हांवें चिंतलें बिकॉज द फूल प्रोजेक्शन वूड हॅव गॉन ऑन द ब्रीज वीच हॅपन. सो आमी मागीर टायम घेवन सगळें घेवन आमी सगळे आमची भयणी भावाची 4 भुरग्यांची आनी 2 आमचे अडल्ट आमचे जोसेफीन, डायना, एल्विना, नेगल, प्रियल आयज आमी टेम्पररी हें घातलेलें आसा. पूण विदीन 8 days वील बी पुटींग अ मार्बल स्टोन सेम अशेंच आसतलें विथ पिक्चर्स एंड एवरीथींग. सो ताका मातसो टायम लागता कित्याक आतां कोडे कांडा घेवपाचो. सो आय डिडंट वॉन्ट टू टेक अ चान्स. सो विदीन 2 days I got this organized and I told the parents they had come to me and of course तांचे हें आसा that they want to put a cross over there. I said that will go ahead, there's no issues on that. And I had all the cooperation of Father Amandio, Father Anand, and not only so much, even amche cemetery and uta dille the cemetery haंव करून घेतलो because the cemetery was in a very very bad condition and finally it's our destination. आमी कितें आसा आमी कांय घेवन वचपाचें. Finally we have to go to our final destination, the cemetery. So and the सगळे CMाक day to day on almost practically day to day basis तें सगळें करून घेतलें. I must thank my honorable chief minister Mr. Manoj Parrikar that he immediately kept his word as ताणें ब्रिजाक उतर दिल्लें. आमचे bridge, it was the first bridge of the formation after the formation of the government, and thereafter also we got the cemetery completed. Of course, Father Anand's a lot of ideas, along with Father Mandi, a lot of ideas were put there, and we got it. And today we have one of the best cemeteries in the constituency.
Before we wind up, here is the recap of the headlines. Minibus carrying 24 Russian tourists rams into 2 cars and turned turtle at Sankwale. Tourists escaped unhurt, 1 died, 2 injured. Crime branch raided Moonlight Circus following the complaint of rape on a minor girl. 1 arrested, owner booked. Chief Minister did not make any efforts to shut down Ola Cabs. Ola Cabs still operating in the state, Alex Reginald. And Festival of Music, Dance and Food begins in Goa. Carnival celebrations flagged off at Panjim. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. You can also follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Goodbye.